Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create this best-selling color match game for kids. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and search digital color match game for kids on here on Etsy. And we're going to go ahead and see what searches come up. So when we search here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look at the popular now. As we can see here, they have the matching coloring game. So this is a digital product that people are printing out and laminating and being able to use for their kids. You can see that there's other options here where they have colored fish, they have paintbrushes. So we're just getting an idea of what is being sold. And we're going to be using this bestseller idea to be able to create our own interactive color matching game using Canva AI. So we selected this option and we see that this product is in demand. 7 people have bought this in the last 24 hours. And they're showing here the different color products that the kids can go ahead and match with the colors. As we can see here, this is doing very well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight these text keywords in here so that we can bring this over to ChatGPT to be able to get our code to create our design. So now we're going to go over to ChatGPT and we're going to go and give it a prompt to go ahead and get started. Then you're going to type in create a code for a design to create a graphics for this color match game for kids. And of course, the more details you give it, the better. I went ahead and copied and pasted the keywords from Etsy there: color matching game for kids, taller color printable, Montessori sorting activity. And you can tell it to include different animals, food, object shapes for the different colors as well. You can give it as many details as possible. I said include 6 different items for each color for kids to sort. And then I did go ahead and copy the link from Etsy so that they can it can have an idea what I'm looking for. So I did go ahead and copy and paste that link as a reference. It's not going to be exact. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and have it go and generate the code for it so that I can bring it over to Canva AI. You don't have to include the Etsy listing list. You can just give it more details and it will be able to create it. It is going to take some time. So we're going to go ahead and come back when this is done. Longer than expected, but if it pauses on you because it is a lot for it to analyze, you can go ahead and just type in continue and it will go ahead and continue its thought. It did take a couple minutes and then it was able to create this code for me. So all you're going to do is hit copy code and it created all of this code. And then at the end here, it said that it generated a full PDF file with the letters and as well as all of the pages with the PNGs. So it included instructions, it included 8 colors, and for each color they have a sorting mat and they have a one cut sheet with dash line cards with kid-friendly shapes. And so it asks you, do you want different colors, icons such as fruit, vehicles, and animals, or your brand logos added? And then, so if you want that, you can go ahead and tell them to add specific type of objects that you want them to create for the colors, as well as different fonts or things that you want it to add to make it more custom and created shapes for this. But like I said, you can update it. And when I went ahead and clicked on the PDF, this is what it looks like. So this could be a template that you can go ahead and upload in Canva if you wanted to do it this way. and you can have the different items in the placeholder as well as the cutouts so that you can update as well. They have for each color, but we're going to go back over here to ChatGPT and we're going to go ahead and copy the code that they created, and then we're going to open another tab to go to Canva AI. So you're going to go over to Canva and then you're going to go ahead and select Canva AI. And then you're going to go ahead and make sure that you click code for me, and you're going to go ahead and paste that code right there and hit enter. So as you can see here, it's currently analyzing the code that you got from ChatGPT. So you're going to make sure you give it a couple minutes to be able to create your design, and then you can be able to go and edit in your directly in Canva, or you can add more details. So we're going to go ahead and skip past this part, and I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, so this is the design that it came up with. So for this, it had the different colors in the matching game. So what I don't like about what happened is it has the same emoji for each one. So we want to update this to see if we can have better objects here for the matching of the colors. So over here, I type change the items to include different items such as food, animals, objects of the different colors to sort and show multiple colors at one time. So we're going to see what happens when we let Canva AI know that. So they'll say that they'll let us know. They're generating the code right now to create real world items like food, animals, and objects that toddlers can recognize and sort by color. So we're going to give it a second to generate this new code on top of what they have created. Okay, so now after giving that additional instruction and prompt, it gave me something that I believe looks way better. So now we have our color sorting bins all at the same time, and they created different images over here of different colors that they now can sort. And so we brought over the yellow star, we have the purple heart that they can move over, the whale, the grape over here. So now it's more interactive and there is a difference between the colors. And then right here you can go ahead and select new game if you want to start over. And they have some more items that they have went ahead and added in here that they can go ahead and sort as well. And then what you need to do is after you like how everything looks, you're going to go ahead and hit use in a design, and you're going to go ahead and select the whiteboard because it's be able to stretch out the game. And then you'll be able to, if you're selling this as an Etsy product or a digital product, you're going to go ahead and hit share. You're going to go ahead and select template link, and then you're going to hit create template link. And then now when someone purchases this color matching game, you're going to just share this template link with them, and they'll be able to reuse it and play this game with their toddler or their child that is homeschooling or just learning their colors. So you can also stretch this out and make this bigger as well. That's why I chose the whiteboard effect, like we're in school. You can make it bigger, and then all they have to do is double click to interact, and then they can start playing this game with their child. And so if this video has been helpful, I would appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos you want me to create next, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video, and have a great day.